Coming live from Merida, Mexico. This is Amputee Adventures. Oh, buenos dias. Here at the optometrist, getting my glasses adjusted back there, and soon I'll have an exam as well. My glasses needed to have one of the arms. I noticed it was kind of loose, so I didn't have any tools, so I brought those in. And today's Monday, so I called them this morning, said, hey, I need to make an appointment for an exam. And they said, how about 6 o'clock this evening? I said, perfect, okay. So I'm doing this tonight. Don't know what it'll cost, but I'll let you know. I do see a sign that says, todo trabajo require el 50% de anticipo. So it's for the total work done, you need to have 50% deposit. On the wall up there, that orange sign. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's pretty cheap here, so we'll find out. But yeah, nice quaint little office. Looks like it's an old home that they converted into an optometrist. It has all the frames and all the different transitions and different frames to choose from. So yeah, so I'll let you know how it goes. All right, well, I made it back. And my glasses are repaired. I can see out of them again. So the screws were tightened down on both of the arms and cleaned them up even. And then so I had my exam and needed a new different prescription. Yeah, so they had 3 different types of glasses to get. I had the full-on transition lenses and all that for 8,000 some odd pesos, but I got the middle of the line ones. They're the comfort lines for 2,300 pesos, and I gave them 1,000 pesos down, so 1,300 pesos. They'll be ready in 2 to 3 days, and they'll call me when they're ready. But yeah, it was only 2,300 pesos. The exam was included with the glasses. So these glasses I got from the VA, so I don't know what those cost, but I remember purchasing out of pocket like 8-10 years ago, and I remember paying like $350 some odd dollars. But these were $2,300 that I'm gonna get. That's what, $115 total with the exam, glasses, and frames. So yeah, can't beat that. Buenos dias, everybody. Today, I'm going to pick up my glasses. So, I know it's just a simple trip. So, I know I don't have to have my wheelchair. So, I'm just going to wait for my Uber and go from there. I'll show you the results of the glasses. Okay, yeah, just got dropped off and going into my optico's office. Good thank you. Buenos dias. So it's aquí.
¿Son estos?
Mi español es muy poquito. ¿Inglés?
No.
Okay. So let's see. 1,300.
Sí.
Ay. 1,000. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, sí. Aquí. 1, 2, 3, sí. Gracias. Oh, bueno. So yeah, these are my glasses. A lot better. I can see. Bueno. Gracias.
Please.
Okay, well, I just got back home, and boy, can't even trying to get a good lighting here so you can see the glasses. Yeah, I like them. They're nice set. You see, I haven't shaved today. Yeah. They're great. I can see far distances. It doesn't have that seamless bifocal, so I'm always going like this, trying to read close up. So yeah. Again, I went to last Monday for the exam and picked out the glasses, and then paid 50%. It was 2,300 pesos, 2,300 pesos, $115. That was for the exam and the glasses. They said it would be done in 3 days, but I didn't have a chance to give them a call back. But I gave them a call yesterday, and they said, yeah, glasses are ready. Anytime you want to pick them up. So I went down there this morning. Today's Wednesday of the following week. So yeah, I got them ready for going to Miami. So I can see now, I can read. My other glasses, it was just they're difficult. They're older prescription. The prescription now is 2035, and they're not seamless bifocals, so these are a lot better. So yeah, all 2,300 pesos, $115. You can't beat that price. I recall over 15 years ago, I bought some, frames and lenses for, I want to say it was over $300. So, but yeah, that was nice to $115 for a new set of glasses and an exam. So can't beat that. And they had other ones that were even cheaper than that, but I said no, I'll get the nicer set. So yeah, I'll put the information for the optometrist down below. And yeah, I got this from Jose Arteaga, his information page. So thanks, Jose, for referring me to this optometrist. So anyways, everybody have a fantastic day, and we'll see you again. Like, comment, subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.